Bureaucracy is another common type of structure. Although this word has a negative connotation in everyday language, in organizational psychology, it's a label we use to describe structure. It's neither good or bad. It has its strengths and weaknesses, and it should be used when it makes sense for the organization's strategy. A highly bureaucratic organization is characterized by high levels of both specialization and formalization, functional departmentalization, where jobs are grouped by their function, centralized authority, where a select few make the decisions, narrow spans of control, where managers supervise about 4 employees, and the strong presence of a chain of command. In highly bureaucratic organizations, tasks are routine and people follow strict rules and procedures in order to get their work done. Researchers have identified 2 types of bureaucracies. The functional structure groups people by their similar specialties, roles, tasks. Large companies tend to use functional structures. It allows people to become experts in their role and can motivate them by providing a very clear path to promotion. But functional structures encourage more rigid, formal communication and can create coordination problems. The different functions of an organization have to work together to succeed. The divisional structure groups people by product, service, customer, or geography. The divisional structure facilitates coordination and provides clear responsibility for work activities. But divisional structures can duplicate functions and costs. Each division is responsible for all of the functions of their work. Each division produces, markets, keeps accounting records, follows laws, and so on. The major advantage of a highly bureaucratic structure is that it enables people to perform their tasks in a highly efficient manner. Functional departmentalization, grouping tasks by function, allows companies to save money as they grow. We call this economies of scale. It also allows them to minimize the duplication of personnel and equipment. Another advantage is that only the highest levels of the organization need to be highly skilled and experienced. The rules, regulations, norms serve as substitutes for managerial discretion. The organization can essentially get by with hiring less skilled, lower-level employees. One of the disadvantages of highly bureaucratic structures is that hyper-specialization can create conflict. Each department tries to figure out its place in the organization. Each department's goals can become more important than the goals of the organization. Plus, hyper-formalization can lead managers to become obsessed with following the rules. There are no other ways to get the work done, so following the standardized procedures is the only way to succeed. Finally, bureaucratic organizations are efficient only as long as employees deal with the same problems over and over again. When new problems come up, people struggle to solve them because they don't have any discretion in making decisions. They can't try new ways of doing the work. They are very limited in what they can do to solve new problems.